This is one of the worst ways to store your seed phrase. It can easily be destroyed by fire, spills, and even wild animals. And since your seed phrase is the single most important part of your crypto portfolio, even more important than your cold wallet, you need a backup that can literally last a lifetime. Now, I've tested a lot of metal seed phrase plates over the years, but this is easily my new favorite. This is the Trezor Keep Metal, which Trezor claims to be indestructible. I put it to the test and confirmed it's fireproof, it's definitely waterproof, and you can run it over with a 6,000-pound truck no problem, so I'm pretty sure my dog doesn't want any smoke either. The reason it's so durable is because it's made from forged 304 aerospace grade stainless steel, which is just a fancy way of saying it's really durable and offers exceptional corrosion resistance. Trezor has two versions of the Keep Metal depending on how long your seed phrase is. They have a 20-word option, which is unique to one of these seed phrases their wallets generate, and a standard 24-word option that can either store two 12-word seed phrases or one 24-word seed phrase, or if you use a passphrase with your 12-word seed phrase and it only contains words, you could use this for your one 12-word seed phrase and then a 4 to 6-word passphrase as well. And the cool thing is they're both the same price, and yes, I know $99 is a lot of money, but besides my crypto, the two other things I consider investments are my hardware wallet and my seed phrase backup, because both of them ensure my crypto remains safe for years to come. That way I can actually enjoy the fruits of my investments later. So I like to look at it as an investment in my future, not just a $99 expense. Plus, if you use my link down in the description along with my custom discount code CyberScroll10, you get 10% off your entire order. And make sure to enter the code exactly like I'm showing it on screen because it's case sensitive and it's super sensitive. But enough talking, I want to show you why this is my new favorite metal seed phrase safeguard, along with how to set it up the right way so that your seed phrase remains safe for a lifetime. When you open the box, there are 4 things you'll use to make your seed phrase indestructible, including a marking pen, a metal punch, and tamper-proof stickers, which is a nice bonus. And I'll show you exactly how to use all this in a second. Then of course you have the Trezor Keep Metal itself, which is a heavy-duty steel tube made of 2 parts that screw together. On the threads, there's a rubber O-ring that helps keep everything inside airtight and watertight. So this isn't just another piece of metal like my other metal seed phrase plate. It's thoughtfully made, it's heavy, you can use it as a weapon if you need to, it's really nice. The instructions for setting this up and adding your seed phrase are also clearly printed on the packaging, or if you need more help, there's a QR code you can scan that takes you to Trezor's setup video on their website. But you don't have to do that because I'm going to walk you through the exact setup process right now, including how to read your seed phrase since there are only 4 spots for each word. So to get started, gather all the included tools along with your seed phrase, then lay the inside part of the Keep Metal on the box it came in so it doesn't roll away while you're punching holes into it. Step number 1, use a black pen to mark the spots for each word. You'll notice there's only room for the first 4 letters of each word. That's all you need to recover the full word because no 2 words on the BIP 39 word list share the same first 4 letters. If you ever forget the word, you can look up the BIP 39 word list yourself, which shows all 2,048 possible words your seed phrase can use. Once you finish marking all the holes, step number 2 is to grab the metal punch tool, place it over each mark, and push down fairly hard until it clicks. You'll know it worked when you see a dent in the steel or maybe even a hole. Then repeat this for every word in your seed phrase. And one quick note, this is definitely easier to do in a well-lit room like I'm doing here because the letters are pretty small. Just make sure there's no cameras watching you. All right, step number 3, once you've punched all the letters into your Keep Metal, just double check with your paper copy that you did it correctly. Once you've done that, roll up that paper copy of your seed phrase and place it inside the little cylinder. The reason I recommend doing this is because the paper copy is much easier to read at a glance. So if you ever need to access your seed phrase to recover your crypto, the paper is going to make it just a little quicker. The metal is there for worst case scenarios like a fire, flood, or whatever else may happen. Step number 4, screw the 2 pieces together, then slap on one of these tamper-proof stickers or maybe a couple. Of course, this sticker isn't going to stop someone from getting to your seed phrase, but it does give you a clear sign if someone opened it. Then just store it somewhere secure where you know that you'll have access to it. And this will literally protect your seed phrase for the rest of your life. And that's it. Now, there are 2 downsides I want to be clear about. First, like I mentioned earlier, the letters are pretty small, so you need good lighting, and I wear contacts, so you need good eyes too. The second downside, which I don't really know if it's a downside because most metal backups are the same, is that it is single use, meaning you can't use it again for a new seed phrase later on. Once you use that metal punch, the marks are permanent. There's no going back. That said, the hardware wallet you use to create and manage your seed phrase plays a massive role in how secure your crypto is long term. And considering Trezor invented the hardware wallet, the seed phrase, and now the Keep Metal backup, I feel confident using their wallets to manage my crypto. Trezor currently has 3 wallets to choose from, and I compare all 3 side by side in this next video so you can choose the best one for you. I'll meet you over there. God bless.